In the heart of the forest, the whispering waterfall sang a song only the lost could hear. Sarah, drawn by its haunting melody, felt her mind unravel as she approached. The water's whispers promised secrets of the universe, but at a cost. Her reflection in the water twisted, revealing a version of herself she didn't recognize. As the whispers grew louder, she realized they were her own thoughts, echoing back her deepest fears. The waterfall's song became a scream, and Sarah's mind shattered. To hear more tales that chill the soul, hit like, comment, and subscribe.